Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And in my today's video I want to show you how to make makki ki roti. So let me tell you how to make makki ki roti. And for this you will need corn flour, water, and obviously gas and tawa. Not that tough to make if you practice a lot. First of all, you have to just take corn flour and mix water in this like this. Mix it with water and start preparing the dough. Mix it like this and prepare the dough. Not too hard, not too thick. And it should be like you can make like. Prepare the dough. Mix water for like I think prepare. It takes I think 1 minute to prepare one dough. Just mash it like mix it like this. The dough in the beginning you should in the when you start preparing the dough in the beginning you have to do it with the hard hands, not and after that with soft hands. But in the starting you prepare the dough with hard, very like a bit very hard, and after some seconds just with slow hands. I'm preparing the dough. Prepare the dough like this. Now take it on your hands like this and make it in a round shape and like this. It will take a lot of practice to make makki ki roti. Like this. Now put it on the tawa. The tawa is preheated. Now I'm making another chapati and preparing the dough for this. Just add some more corn flour and start mixing it like this with soft hands and with hard hands also. Like it will take a lot of practice I think, because you can't make makki ki roti in one go. You have to practice a lot. Now after 30 or 20 seconds I will just turn the another side of the chapati. The one side is cooked and another side I'm also preparing for second makki ki roti. If you are trying it for the first time, you should just start with small portion of dough, like a little bit small portion of the dough, and you should practice with that if you really want to make makki ki roti. And it takes practice to prepare makki ki roti, and it's not I think that tough if you start preparing. Both the sides are cooked on tawa. Now I will put it on the heat directly to cook the sides of the makki ki roti, because it's like makki roti is very like not that much thin, it's little thick, so you have to cook it a lot. I'm cooking the sides of makki ki roti. And with the roti, now you can have it with curry, sarson masala, or whatever you want. Now I'm going to prepare for the second roti, and for that also I'm preparing the dough. just mash it like this and take when you're making this chapati round like this, you just put your hand, like mix, take some water on your hand so that it doesn't stick on your hand. And if you're getting some if your roti is breaking, then you can just now I'm putting the roti on the tawa, and with this I'm also preparing for the third roti. If you think your roti I'm cooking the makki roti on the gas. Now it's ready. Now I will put some ghee on makki ki roti. It's your choice if you want to put ghee or not, but it becomes more yummy after putting the ghee. I'm preparing the dough for another roti, so I'm mixing it like this with one hand and start preparing the dough, and like this just make the dough round and clap, like you have to do clapping like this to make it round. And while doing that, you should mix little bit water on your hands and start making the chapati like this round. Mixing water means like putting water on your hand means it will not stick on your hand, and if it breaks like this, then you can just mix join it. And I will have put the roti on the tawa. I'm preparing for another dough, and this is again my credit goes to my mother because she is only making the chapati. And I'm also learning how to make makki ki roti. It's not that tough, but it's not even easy because it takes a lot of practice to make makki ki roti. If you really want to learn this, then you should practice at your home, one chapati per day. Then surely you will reach your destination. You will learn how to make makki ki roti. And subscribe to my channel for more videos on cooking, beauty, and my daily life routine, hairstyles, etc. And if you like this video, then give thumbs up. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. I'm cooking the roti on the gas because, as I told you, this roti is not like a chapati. It's not thin, it's really thick. You have to cook it really lot, because it can, if you will not cook it, then you will get some like health issues, because you may get stomach pain. So it's better you cook it. It's really tasty. This roti is very tasty. Now the first side is cooked, so I'm making the second side. So I'm cooking the second side of the roti. Now I'm putting ghee on the roti to make it fatty. If you want, if you can, you want to add the ghee, you can. If you don't want, then it's your choice. But it's a Punjabi style. People love to put ghee on makki ki roti and eat it because it becomes more tasty then.